Attention is currency right now, okay? Pre-recorded everything for you guys. All you have to do is literally post your content and make the money, okay? So like I told you guys before, this content is luxury, high quality content. This type of content goes viral on social media, and then all you have to do, y'all, is drop that file right in Pinterest. This is a no effort thing, all right? So I am going to put you on today, sis. So if you were thinking about starting your Faceless channel and you just don't know which platform to go to, well, today I am sharing all of my secrets because I am going to show you how Pinterest as well as YouTube and TikTok has literally within a year made me a millionaire. And in this video, we're going to break down Pinterest. Pinterest is such an amazing website for you to go ahead and start your Faceless channel on. And let me tell you guys, it is so low key that hardly nobody is doing it, and you can pick up so much traffic and so many sales to that Pinterest account. So if you've been thinking about starting your Faceless channel, but you're too afraid to start, you don't know which platforms to use, you have no social media experience, or you believe that you are too old to do this, well, sis, I am changing your mind and mindset right here in this video. So what I want you to do is go get a pencil and a paper and come learn. Sam is spilling out all the tea, and I am putting you guys on in this video, okay? So before we get into that, you guys, you know I love to love on my fam. So before we start today, you know I love to love on my fam, you guys. So my shout out to today is for all of the rich girls and guys out there who have started to make money in their businesses using the knowledge and the information that I have given them, you guys. And like I said before, baby, we are retiring in 2025. And for all of my students who have started to make their money, yay, y'all. Coach Sam is so proud of you guys. But let's get into this shout out of the day, you guys. So we have Jeffrey, you guys. Jeffrey is in his 40s, you guys. And he said, listen to what he said. And this is how I know that my program is changing lives. Jeffrey says, Coach Sam, when I tell you that I've been a hardworking man for all of my life, I have worked with my hands forever. And when I came across your channel, it was a godsend because I am just tired of working with my hands. Like you always preach and teach in your class, it is time for us to work with our minds, okay? And I am happy to inform you that I literally, since starting your program over 2 weeks ago, I have made $2,500 with my Faceless channel, and it is all thanks to you, Coach Sam. Thank you so much for all that you do for us, and I sincerely appreciate you. I want to let you know that, Queen, I appreciate you. Coach Sam, keep doing what you're doing, sis. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you so much, Jeffrey. And if you guys have not joined the Rich Girls and Guys Don't Work, what are you waiting for? We're retiring over there, okay? And I am going to teach you step by step what platforms to use, how to put your digital products on your Faceless channel, and how to make your money and retire. Like I said before, you guys, I'm going to link both of my programs below so that you can get started on this today. It only takes you about 30 minutes to start your channel and start making that money, okay? And my first bundle, which is the Sam Social Media and Business Marketing Program, you're going to get not one course, but you're going to get 3 courses. That is my most comprehensive package. It comes with everything, and no, you do not have to buy anything extra. Everything already comes with it. Not only are you going to get your products, you're going to get your reels, and you're also, you guys, going to get your content. Y'all, content is king, and I have already pre-recorded everything for you guys. All you have to do is literally post your content and make the money, okay? You're also going to get in that bundle the Rich Girls Don't Work course, and you're going to get the Learn How to Be a Career Coach course. I made over $250,000 in 5 months with that course. So when I tell you guys, baby, that's the course for you, okay? And you're going to go ahead and you're going to get my live mentorship meetings every single week, you guys. You're going to get my live mentorship meetings. This is where you come into my class and you come meet Coach Sam personally, you guys. I am personally going to help you start these channels and start making that money, okay? Also, you guys, if you're just wanting to do faceless channels, go get that second program, which is the Rich Girls Don't Work. It also comes with the Learn How to Be a Career Coach. This is for you guys who want to do strictly faceless channels. But if you want to go ahead and conquer social media, you're gonna go ahead and get that Sam social media and business bundle. But if you just wanna do faceless channels, no problem. Coach Sam has them already ready for you, and we're ready to rock and roll, you guys, okay? And both of them include your products, your content, drop the bomb, your content. So all you're doing is posting content. That is it. That is all. And you guys, you're going to get access to our community. And last but not least, it is those live mentorship meetings. You're able to stay in there as long as you humanly want to. Coach Sam is helping you to do this. I'm taking your hand, grab my hand, y'all, so that you are able to just kill it in 2025. Not only are we going to kill it, you guys, but we are retiring in 2025, okay? So let's get into the shout outs of the day, you guys. And the inspiration of the day, you guys, is God does not play about me. I can conquer this. And when you tell yourself that, you guys, that's when you're going to do it, okay? So like I said before, you guys, go ahead, throw that inspiration of the day in the comment section, and you guys, put your motivation for starting your faceless channel. When you see that motivation, you guys, you are going to go after that goal. It can be done, okay? Get this video to at least 1,000 likes, you guys. Everybody like, share, and subscribe so that this video goes out to so many more people, okay? So let's get into this right now, because I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest make you money in your sleep. Let's get to it. So now that we're at Pinterest, Pinterest is such a wonderful platform where you're able to post your faceless content on that platform, okay? And like I told you guys before, I own 3 channels, okay? So I own a debt channel, a budgeting channel, and an entertainment channel. And I own these channels on YouTube and TikTok. And you guys, just recently, I have started getting so many sales come from Pinterest. Yes. So I am going to show you how I was able to get those sales and how you're able to just stick your content on Pinterest so that you can hook the viewers and get them to buy your digital products on your faceless channel. And did I tell you, I am making sales on Pinterest without even showing my face. You don't see my face at all, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do, you guys, and like I said before, you guys, I have already pre-made your content. This is the same content that is in the Rich Girls Don't Work and in the Sam social media and business course, you guys. This is the exact same content. So all you're going to do, you guys, is go ahead, and there's over 2,000 pieces of content in there. So right now, you guys, all you're going to go do is take the content, and we are going to put that content on Pinterest so it can hook our viewers and turn them into buyers for our debt and budget trackers, okay? So like I told you guys before, this content is luxury, high quality content. This content is going to make you look like you're at the resort. It's going to make you look like you are somewhere just peacefully being you. This type of content goes viral on social media every single day. Every time I post one of these viral reels, you guys, I'm going viral. And every time I go viral, it translates into sales. Like I told you guys, attention is currency right now, okay? Jump on it, okay? So, like I said before, you guys, there are so many reels in here to choose from. Reels where it looks like you are jumping out of a Range Rover, jumping out of a Benz. I teach you guys how to format your content step by step in the course so that you're able to hook your buyer into buying your digital product, okay? Because like I told you guys before, I made $315,000 in 30 days by selling $50 digital products. And this is the way that I was able to do it, okay? So, like I said before, all you're gonna do is share the content after you have edited the way that I teach you in the Rich Girls Don't Work and in the Sam Social Media and Business. What we're gonna do now, you guys, is we are going to go right back to Pinterest, okay? We're going to add and create, and then all you have to do, y'all, is drop that file right in Pinterest. Pinterest is going to push that file out for all of the people who are looking for debt, budget trackers, and all of that good stuff. Is going to push it out for you. That's why I tell you guys, let the platforms do the work and not you. This is one of the best ways for you to get started without showing your face and with minimum effort, okay? This is a no effort thing, all right? So you guys, like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to teach you guys in the course how to format this, how to put it on your Stan Store or Beacons account so that people are ready to buy your product and you have your product already available, okay? Because let me tell you, these products are in demand. Because like I told you guys before, these products are in demand. And when they're in demand, they literally sell themselves. So like I said, you guys, hurry up and join the programs. I don't know how much longer I am going to have my Sam Social Media and Business Marketing course down there for sale. So get it while you can, okay? Get this video up to 1,000 like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!